hold up the keypad to it. This is what we just typing, just doing some regular typing. We found the old keyboard and a mouse.
Okay, this is the new Omni Box. This is the new Fire Stick Killer. This is what I call it. Comes with the pad. If you know about Fire Sticks, you know it comes with the pad. And I like to use the mouse and the keyboard. The keyboard and the mouse hooks up to the back of this unit where you can use it and basically move around like this. I go into the apps, click it, there's to my apps.
Where's the cursor? Okay, I see it. Move it slow so I can
Here
find
is
it.
the cursor right there. There's the mouse.
Okay.
There's the mouse. So I'll move it around. If you want to get to all your movies, you go into the Omni Store, click on the Omni Store,
Doggy.
and you can customize all your apps.
Oh God.
Boo, get down.
The dog wanted parts. Your head in the way.
So you get down here, you got your Kodi, you got your Showbox, you got everything over here. Then if you want to move over, use your keyboard.
Sit up a little bit. Your head is in the way.
Keyboard and move over. There's more apps. You can download all these apps. These are all the apps in the store. They're free. You can download them.
Look how clear that is.
All the movie apps.
And it's easy to navigate because you are using the mouse, or you can use the arrows on the keypad.
You can also use this to navigate.
Comes with the remote,
which you can use. Which I don't like to use the remote. I like to use my mouse. Okay, so and then I come out of here.
You see WHIO, it has the local. You can get the local channels.
All of these I downloaded through Google Play, which I have an iPhone now, but all my old apps came about when I signed in. So all my apps are on here, and I can download them onto the television.
It's just like a phone, whatever you do on your phone.
My Apple Music is also on here. So all my Apple songs are on here, which I didn't log in yet, but it's on here. You just gotta log in. My Pandora is connected. Which I like to use.
Oh God, Kim, that's his favorite. Let it play for a second. I'm gonna be editing and deleting. Hear that? Can you do that on with the Fire Stick?
Yeah.
So why is this better than a Fire Stick?
Because it has a core processor, and you can do a lot more with this than Fire Stick. Let that play. Then I can go in here. YouTube. So basically got everything on here. But so if you want to download anything for new movies, you go into this and you can download anything.
Pull up something so we can see how fast or easy it is.
Oh, with a movie?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going here. I'm going to Showbox.
Showbox for movies.
Right here.
Look how they all show up, and I like this because it's the menu is just easier to navigate, and it looks so much clearer. Like it's so clear.
They got all the movies right here.
Pick one and show them how to get through. So now we're going in the Showbox. Okay, that's us signing in from Netflix. See, I finally got my mama, got her one, so she can stay off of mine. Okay, they got the download and go. That's the same option that you have on your phone. Just click OK. We don't want to download. We just want to watch something. Here, give me the mouse. Oh, here's the keypad.
Yo, where you at?
Know what it's typing on. Here's the
All right.
mouse. Here. There it is. No, we don't want to see this thing works just like a
I was watching that.
American gangster. Oh, yeah.